Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I have a Walmart haul here. Most of these products are from the US website because there are some scents in these particular cleaning products that I want to try out. And I also got some hand soap and some wax melts. So I will start with the Mr. Clean products. Now to clean especially my floors, I do like to use either Mr. Clean or Lysol. I just find if they're diluted enough that it doesn't leave a film on my floors, and I do like the scents that they have. So they did have some fall and winter limited edition scents come out, and yeah, they gave Mr. Clean a little bit of a makeover. They finally put a hat on the poor man for these cold winter months. So I'm going to start with this first scent, which is a fall scent. Oops. It's okay. It's fine. So this is the Mr. Clean Multi-Surface Cleaner, and this is in Spiced Harvest. And I actually used this yesterday to clean the floors, and it really does smell quite nice. It does have that earthy, pumpkin-y scent, woodsy, earthy pumpkin scent. So yeah, it does smell quite good. And yeah, they have a little Tuca Mr. Clean there. And then the one that wiped out over here, this one is in Frosted Cranberry, and they got a little Santa hat on him. Yeah, it's more of like a sweet kind of cranberry. And then this one is Fresh Pine. And yeah, I mean, it just smells like your regular kind of pine cleanser. So yeah, you're finally keeping Mr. Clean fairly comfortable in the wintertime there. And so yeah, I was happy to get through those. Yeah, I go through a lot of Mr. Clean. Frank uses it for, you know, cleaning out his truck and his boat and everything, and so we go through quite a bit of that. And then I got this dish soap, this Palmolive dish soap, and this label is absolutely beautiful. And this is the Palmolive scent in Warm Spice. And look at the little cardinal and the snow-covered acorns. We have an oak tree in our front yard, so we had lots of snow yesterday or the day before. So, and it's actually very, very nice. Like a warm, spicy scent note there. So yeah, just an absolutely beautiful label. And then I do have some Fabuloso. They do have a few scents here in Canada. I haven't used it quite as much as like Mr. Clean or the Lysol. But I thought I'd try out a couple of these scents. And this one is in... So it's a Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner. This is the 2 times concentrated formula, and this is in Wild Winter Berries. And this actually really does smell quite nice. Yeah, it does. It doesn't even smell like a cleaner. I just get like that sweet berry scent. And then this one is in Fresh Winter Mint. Now this one I was hoping for a little more of a minty scent to it. Yeah, this smells, I mean, your typical kind of cleaner scent. So I was hoping to be a little more minty. It is bright, but I was hoping for like just a little more mint there. So, and then the hand soap wise. So I did get, now this is the Real Canadian Superstore, I did get 2 of the Spiced Chai Latte hand soaps by Dove. And I do have the body wash and the body scrub of this scent, and it's really, really nice. I just love my chai scents, those very warm spices. So I did get a couple of these from the Real Canadian Superstore. And then from the US Walmart site, I did get another Pecan Butter Crunch body wash. Oh my gosh, this is This is so, so good. I was going to order a second one previously, but it sells out quite quickly. But I did get my hands on another one. This is so rich and decadent. It's buttery scent of toasted pecans blended with caramelized sugar and a touch of warm vanilla. And it is so good. And it's very, very strong. Oh, man, it is so good. And then the other hand soaps, Dove hand soaps I did get a peanut butter crunch in the hand soap. And I did get the Dove hand soap in peppermint bark. So it's like a chocolate peppermint scent. I do have this in the body wash, the Dove body wash, and it's a really, really good chocolate mint scent. Alrighty, and then, so I ordered some of the Scentsationals. They didn't have any new scents, but they repackaged a lot of their older scents. So when I ordered, I was expecting to get the new packaging, and the new packaging is really, really quite nice. But they ended up sending me the old packaging, which is fine. I mean, I didn't buy it for the packaging. I bought more for the scent. So some of these I was running low on anyhow. So I did get, oh, can't find the other one. I did get some mainstays. Sorry, the lighting's kind of coming and going here. I did buy 3, I don't know where the third one is. I did buy 3 of the mainstays frankincense. And I know they had the mainstays has their 12 Days of Christmas collection that's out now. Yeah, and I have actually smelled like authentic frankincense oil, and this is very, very close to it. I'd have to sort of compare them side by side, but yeah, frankincense is a very warm, earthy spice. Oh, it's very, very good. So yeah, I did get 3 of the frankincense, and then I did get a couple of the Wonderland. Now the new packaging is really, really pretty. Kind of has this apple on it. It's really, really pretty. But I've had this previously, berry, apple, and peonies. And I did pick up a couple of these. And it's just basically a floral berry scent mixture. So that one I kind of saved for the summer. And I did get Zen. Now Zen's been around for ages, just as Soothe Your Soul, but it's sort of like a eucalyptus spearmint kind of scent. So it's very, very bright. Yeah, I've had many of these in the past, and it's a really good bathroom scent. It's very, very bright and soothing. And this is Scentsationals Farmhouse Cookie. And it does have, now I've had this previously also, it does have a bit of an appley oatmeal type of scent. It's good. It is actually really nice. Sugary, appley, kind of like, sort of like apple oatmeal crumble, that kind of scent. This is Frosted Sugar Cookie. And I don't think I've had this one before. It's under the bakery category, of course. It's a little bit light, but it does smell like a kind of like a vanilla cookie, a sugary vanilla cookie. And then I did get Magic Spell. I know I have got a couple of those, which is the dupe for Victoria's Secret's Love Spell. Is it Love Spell? Yeah, this one's really quite nice. I do like this for the bedroom. It really is a very pretty, fruity floral scent. And And this is Scentsationals apple pie, warm apple pie. Now this is the new packaging that they have for the warm apple pie. And it's been a while since I've had the warm apple pie by Scentsationals. But it definitely smells like a warm apple pie. Oh, that is so good. Very comforting. Oh, there's my other frankincense. And Blue Sky. Now this one, the new packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Has like this driftwood by the sea. Is really, really pretty. And this is under the fresh category, and I've had it before, and I really like it for the bathroom. It's just bright, clean, refreshing. Sort of has that ocean air, fresh cleanliness about it. And go into my other bag here. I did pick up another Better Homes and Gardens chai spiced apple. So this smells a lot like the filling for an apple pie. It is different from warm apple pie by Scentsationals. Oh, let me open this and compare it here. Yeah, I find the warm apple pie by Scentsationals much stronger. Has definitely more of that apple scent, while this is maybe leaning towards more of the spices than the apple. But they're both quite good. The warm apple pie just is a little bit stronger. Oh, I got 2 of the Blue Skies. And I was hoping to get some more of the new Better Homes and Gardens winter scents. It still says on the website that the image to come soon, though underneath it says delivery available or whatever, or pickup available. So I don't know. Maybe try again to get that. And then, oh, how many did I get here? Oh, excuse my head. I did get some more pistachio snow. I did get this last time. This is pistachio, nut accord, vanilla, powdered musk, tonka bean, white musk, and whipped cream. So a lot going on. But it is really a really nice nutty vanilla scent. Okay, I'm going nose blind right now. But anyway, yeah, got too much going on here. This one I picked up previously, and I did want to get some more of this. This is the bergamot and sage, and I really do love those herbal scents. Yeah, it just says bergamot and sage. That's the only notes they have there. Oh, this is just so good. It's clean and fresh, though it's not overly herbal, actually. Oh, it's so good. I'm glad I got some more of those. And last time I ordered this, it was out of stock. This is Better Homes and Gardens Lavender and Lemonade. And I've always liked this combination. I know Yankee came out with one, and most companies have some form of lavender and lemonade. Oh yeah, it's so good. And it's not overly herbal, the lavender. Definitely is sweet, and it's a nice combination. And, oopsies. This is Alluring. And they have new pack. I was hoping to get the new packaging, but that's fine. This is a really, really good scent. This is mahogany, bergamot, and amber. So all those sound like it's very, very clone-y, but it's not. And this is under the wood section. Yeah, it's very pretty. Like if you're kind of put off by those scent notes, don't be. Oh, this is really, really nice. Yeah, it's just a very, very soft, musky, woodsy kind of scent. Oh, see, oh man, I'm going nose blind. I'm all kind of stuffed up too, doesn't help. But yeah, when it's melting, it's a lovely, lovely scent. But like I said, it's to me, it's not cologne-y. And then this one I picked up previously, and I wanted to get some more. And that is Better Homes and Gardens Scented. And this one is vetiver, tonka bean, verbena, citrus greens, bergamot, and geranium. So this is on the brighter side. It's kind of, it is citrusy, but it's not overly bright. Maybe has a little bit of muskiness to it. It's clean, it's fresh. Oh, it's hard to explain this one, but it's really, really lovely. It's kind of soft in a way. Everything like the bright scents, like the verbena, the citrus greens, the bergamot, they're all kind of tamed down, maybe with the tonka. But yeah, it's really, really quite a lovely scent. And then I did get a couple of these Feeling Cozy. Oops, I'm back. Feeling Cozy, which is warm woods and crisp apple. And I have this going in my bathroom upstairs. There is a bit of an appley scent, but the woodsy notes kind of tame down the apple. Yeah, it's very soft. So yeah, it's like a woodsy apple, but very soft. And now this one I've had before, and this is the new packaging. This is Scentsationals Cinnamon Cashmere. Now this one I have had previously. It is on the lighter side, so it needs a small room. Oh, it's good though. Yeah, it's like you're wearing a cozy winter sweater and drinking a hot drink with a little bit of cinnamon sprinkled on top. Yeah, I just wish it was stronger, but it's really a very nice, subdued laundry / cinnamon scent. And then iced lemon sugar cookies. Yeah, I like my lemon scents. And yeah, that one's really good. So that's it. That is my little haul. And yeah, I'm hoping to get those Better Homes and Gardens, the new winter wax melts. I think there's, I don't know, maybe 10 new scents in that line. So I could try again, and if they're not available, I can always cancel that part of my order anyhow. So I know Downy, on the website, Downy has some fabric softener scents, which I'm really kind of eyeing. The one scent is chai latte fabric softener. Yes, do I want to smell like chai latte? You betcha. If my bed smells like chai latte, I'll go for it. And the other scent is cherry, either cherry or cherry vanilla. But anyway, I'll think about it. So anyway, hope you're doing well, and I'm gonna go tuck this stuff away. And yeah, we got quite a bit of snow, like a foot of snow the other day, so I don't know if this is a precursor for what's to come this winter or what, but anyway, so everyone take care, give your loved ones a hug and kiss, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.